Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Flipgrid account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking Open your web browser. You can do this with your mobile application or on your web browser as well. Type in Flipgrid.com and press the Enter on your keyboard. Now log into your account. If necessary, click on the Login button in the top right. Once you're logged into your account, go and click on the icon with a smiley in it at the top right. This will bring out an expanded menu. Click on Profile, and under your profile go to the top right and click on Update Password. Under the Password tab enters the current password for your Flipgrid account. Double check your password by clicking on this icon by revealing the password before moving on. Now, type in the new password that you'd like to change. Type in the new password one more time into the last text box and click on Change Password, and that way you'll be able to change your password to a new one on Flipgrid. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.